Ναι, και θα κάνουμε και άλλα κύματα.
Και ο Αλέξης μας είναι από την Αθήνα, είπαμε.
Μπράβο, κάνουμε κύματα.
Και εδώ αφήνει ζωή. Πάρουμε και τα άλλα παιδάκια. Πώς σε λένε εσένα? Άρη, τι θα ζωγραφίσεις? Την Ελλάδα, θάλασσα θα κάνεις? Από πού είσαι, Άρη? Από την Ελλάδα? Η μαμά σου ή ο μπαμπάς σου είναι?
Η μαμά σου.
Και από πού είναι η μαμά σου?
Από την Αθήνα.
Από την Αθήνα? Και ο συμμαθητής σου πώς τον λένε?
Εγώ Μάρκο.
Μάρκος. Και κάνεις ένα καραβάκι?
Ναι.
Και εδώ τι είναι, βουνό?
Όχι, εδώ είναι... Βράχος. Ναι, βράχος.
Ο βράχος. Και εσένα πώς σε λένε?
Σίλβια.
Η Σίλβια. Ο μαμάς σου ή ο μπαμπάς σου είναι Ελλάδα? Από πού είναι?
Από την Αθήνα.
Από την Αθήνα?
Ναι.
Ωραία. Τι ζωγράφεις, Σίλβια?
Το Σούνιο.
Πηγαίνει συχνά στο Σούνιο?
Πηγαίνει.
Είναι ωραία αυτή η Σούνιο.
Κάνουμε τις ακτίνες γιατί
Η μελλοντική δασκάλα ζωή. Όχι δασκάλα, καθηγήτρια. Το τελείωσες, Μάρκο? Να γράψεις το όνομά σου. Πήγαινε το στην κυρία Φιλιό. Θα μας πεις τι ζωγράφησες?
Ακρόπολη.
Στην Ακρόπολη? Και πώς σε λένε?
Κυρία.
Πώς σε λένε?
Αλέξανδρο.
Αλέξανδρε. Ωραία, πολύ ωραία Ακρόπολη.
Κύριε Φιλιό. Κυρία.
Κυρία Φιλιό. Κυρία Φιλιό, τελειώσανε. Oh, sorry. Va bene, professoressa? Come? Would you like the school?
Yes, I do. Yes, very nice.
It's similar with Pakistan?
Well, much more developed than Pakistan because of the resources, but we are also struggling hard, and the government is pouring money for our primary education to be brought at least international level. Yes.
Γεια σας. Το κιούντο.
Some looks like Greek.
Yeah, they are.
They are μετά Greek.
Οι δυο τους θα κάνουν τα
Θα δώσω το βιβλίο το καινούργιο.
This will be the primary idea which I can carry from this school to my directorate. Okay? Yeah, tell them that this is good, but if by watching and looking at your today's exercise, if I did get the idea, and if I take this idea, how many people are involved in this exercise? One is the trainee teacher, and one is qualified teacher, and one is helping. I shall take this idea and I shall give it clear picture to my directorate in Islamabad, where we do have many nationalities. We do run schools with several nationalities. We have embassy schools there, so it will be very helpful. And I shall have to have a pictures of your team members.
Okay, Joyce.
The problem is that I the other
Γιατί κάνετε αυτό?
Είναι για να τραβάμε ταινία. Έλα σε πάρω και στην ταινία.
Γιατί να τραβάς ταινία?
Ευχαριστώ. Πες μου,
Γιατί να
για να έχουμε την κυρία Φιγιό.
from another person
Who is also from Greece.
yes
Yes, okay.
all another
Πες γεια σας, είμαι από την Ελλάδα.
They are
Πες
trained
μίλα.
as an artist.
Πες γεια σου, είμαι από την Ελλάδα. Ξέρω.
I would like to just have a word with them. If they are helping, are they holding some training on their part from any institute, or they are just helpers? Helpers would be a trained helper or untrained helper. This is what I would like to know. And from the also I would like to know that are there any special charges for this class to run, because they are consuming very expensive items like cover, like stationery, special pen. This because we are developing country and we will make budgetary provision, and we are encouraging people to have their art in their mind, to have their love for country, to have their national spirit to be inculcated at this stage. We shall have to have some clear-cut idea.
in general the teachers are paid from Greece. I and the other teachers were paid from Greece. The Ministry of Greek Education were paid from this program. All the materials, the books and all the other are free, and they are coming from the material for making the project are paid from the community, from the Greek community in Italy.
In Italy, okay.
From the Greek, they make pay.
Okay, I shall ask my helper friend, is she qualified? Did she learn this art in a special institute or a college?
Καταλαβαίνεις. Αλλά κανείς κάνει
Actually,
She is the daughter of the
one of the
yeah,
I know.
lady that they are teaching
Preparing the
Allora, come il pittore,
from Greece or from Italy?
live in Italia,
But originally from Greece.
originally from Πώς είναι,
Θέλει να πάει στον μπάνιο, Αλέξη.
να πας.
Profesores, ¿han basta?
Professor?
Κράτα λίγο. In Latin character.
In Latin characters.
Θα το γράψουμε στη
This
λόγια.
is present for him.
Yes.
Αν και δεν φυλάει.
And the flag is.
Αλέξη, θα το γράψω.
Okay.
Στα ελληνικά μόνο θα γράψω.
Όχι, γιατί δεν ξέρει, θα θέλει να μπορεί να το διαβάσει.
Un regalo al Pakistan.
Φέρε λίγο να διαβάσει, να γράψουμε από αυτό το όνομα.
She's always in happy mood.
Always happy.
Direct to the president that we need one Pakistani chair here.
We need a chair for.
It should be Mushkil.
How was your stay in Rome?
It was very comfortable and I enjoyed each and every minute with my fellow professors and their students, and the weather in Rome was extraordinarily pleasant and I enjoyed every minute, as I did mention.
What did you see in Rome?
I just had a